Greetings and introductions. What's your name?
My name is Ali.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tokyo.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
I live in Peshawar.
Daily activities. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you go to work?
Yes, I go to work every day.
When do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Shopping. How much is this?
It is $10.
Where can I buy milk?
You can buy it at the supermarket.
Do you have change? FO $50?
Yes, I do.
Can I have a bag?
Sure, here it is.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it is 20% off.
Directions. Where is the nearest bus stop?
It is around the corner.
How do I get to the park?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
How long will it take to get there?
About 10 minutes.
Personal preference. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What kind of music do you like?
I like classical music.
Health and fitness. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat fruits and vegetables.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink 8 glasses a day.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any.
Weather and seasons. What is the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love winter.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Is it cold in December?
Yes, it is very cold.
Miscellaneous. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
Family and relationship. How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
Do you have any sister?
Yes, I one sister.
Is she married?
No, she's single.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
How old is your father?
He is 50 years old.
What does he do?
He is a doctor.
Work and study. Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
What is your job?
I'm an engineer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Food and drink. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink coffee.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
Travel and transportation. Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel once a month.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Have you ever been to another country?
No, I have not.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I enjoy flying.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Dubai.
Hobbies and free time. What do you want to do in your free time?
I want to watch movie.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you like painting?
No, I don't like painting.
Technology. Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube.
Do you play video games?
No, I don't play video games.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I like social media.
Social situation. Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Are you busy now?
No, I am free.
Can I call you later?
Yes, you can.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I am going.
Do you have time to talk?
Yes, I do.
Feeling and emotions. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Do you feel cold?
No, I feel warm.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No, I'm not afraid.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family makes me happy.
Morning routine. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you take a shower every morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and drink tea.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed every day.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
Evening routine. What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, I eat with my family.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I read a book before sleeping.
Do you prepare for the next day at night?
Yes, I pack my bag at night.
Talking about day and time. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What is the date today?
Today is December 30th.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 9 a.m.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, I love weekends.
What do you do on Sunday?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Asking about people. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ahmad.
What does your friend do?
He is a doctor.
How old is your mother?
She is 45 years old.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two children.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Amina.
At the market. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What are you buying?
I'm buying vegetables.
Can I play by card?
Yes, you can.
Where is the fruit section?
It is on the left.
How much do I owe you?
You owe $20.
Home and chores. Do you clean your house daily?
Yes, I clean it every day.
Who washes the dishes in your house?
I wash the dishes.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you watch TV at home?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can ask in a comment.
Thank you for watching my video.